Hey there. Are you remembering that Cami has a signature tool? If you've got documents that need to be signed, whether they're individual or collaborative, you can absolutely do that with Cami. Let's take a look. The signature tool can be found in the bottom left of the toolbar. When we click the signature tool, we get the option for a date stamp, a timestamp, as well as the option to add a new signature. You can upload a signature if you have a picture of one already stored on your computer, or you can draw a signature right here within Cami, or you can click where it says Draw Signature on Phone. And here, either using the link or the QR code, you can send the code to a mobile device like your phone, iPad, or tablet. There, you can use that device to create a signature. The signatures that you create are stored down here at the bottom, and all you have to do is select and hit Insert. Then you're able to take the signature and place it wherever you'd like it to go. The signature acts as though it's an image, and so it can be made larger and smaller, as all images can in Cami. So again, we could come over to the signature tool, select Date Stamp, and bring that in to this certificate as well.